Hi guys, it's your girl Sasha and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing crawfish boil and I'm just going to take you through the steps on how I prepare my crawfish boil. First, you want to get your crawfish clean. You're doing this by running water on it. So run water until the water is clear. So after cleaning your crawfish and crawfish is ready for preparation, I place back my crawfish in in the freezer. Yeah. Also season it. You want now after that to get your pot ready. You're going to season the pot. Here I'm using some crawfish boil seasoning, some all-purpose, some Maggi. Yeah, I put onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. You can use whatever season to your preference. Yes, also hot pepper. There's hot pepper I use, and also some pimento seed. So watch and follow the steps. You'll never go wrong. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, and share. At the end of the video, leave me a comment and tell me how I've done in preparing this.